Hello hookers, welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. My name is Christy and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little micro crochet hearts if you need some for Valentine's Day. So if you have some embroidery floss and a 2mm hook or thread, um, let's get going. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to make one in white here. So as this is going to be a magic circle, I do a chain 4 and join it at the end with a slip stitch. If you want to do the magic circle, go ahead. But I'm just going to chain 4 and join it at the end with a slip stitch. If you haven't already, guys, like the video and make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on, okay? Make sure that you see my new videos coming out. And liking it keeps the video in the algorithm. I really appreciate it. Alright, so after I joined it with the slip stitch, I did a chain, and now I'm going to do 9 half double crochet into the circle. And make sure you crochet over the little piece of thread so that you can pull it tight at the end so there's not a hole in the middle. And again, that's 9 half double crochet into the circle. Also, if you want to follow me on my other other social media accounts, make sure that you go check them out on the top of my YouTube channel. You can either just come say hi, or if you need help, either ask on my tutorials themselves, or you can ask me on any of the social platforms I'm on. I also enjoy seeing your finished projects. Some people have sent me pictures already or a video of it, and it's really awesome seeing my work done by other people. So you can send me that there. And also, if you would like to donate a one-time donation or sign up to Facebook subscription, which is $1.29 a month, or Patreon for $3 a month, they're also linked at the top of my YouTube channel. It's not ever expected, but it is appreciated, and I'm having a special offer for Facebook. First 5 people that sign up are getting a free gift, and once I hit 10 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway. And again, that one's only $1.29 a month. And one-time donations are for PayPal, and I have Patreon set up too, so they're all there as well. I do have 1 subscriber on Facebook so far, so I just need to get 9 more for the giveaway. It's pretty exciting. Alright, so I just did at the beginning of the row or circle, I just fastened off with a slip stitch, did a chain, and now in the first stitch you want to do a half double crochet, a chain, and then another half double crochet. And you're going to do that all in the same stitch. So again, after joining that circle and doing a chain, you want to do a half double crochet, chain, and a half double crochet all in the same circle. I'm just making sure I didn't trust myself there, so I'm just making sure I did the chain. It's needed so that you have the pointy end to the heart. Awesome. So the next stitch is just a half double crochet, and then the stitch after again is a half double crochet as well. And the stitch after you want to do a double crochet. And then in the same stitch do another double crochet. So 2 double crochet in that one. The next stitch is going to be a little bit bigger. I'm just going to adjust my thread here. Again, guys, if you can hit that like button on the video too, it's really appreciated. And do make sure that you are subscribed with notifications on. I can't stress that enough. You don't want to miss any upcoming videos. So this one is going to be 3 in the same stitch, and you want to do triple crochet. So all in the same stitch, do 3 triple crochet. These appliques are perfect for, well, anything. I'm going to be making these into earrings, which I'll also be putting on my channel too. I do have other Valentine's Day tutorials already on there, so if you want to check them out, go for it. So after that, I just did a slip stitch in the next stitch, guys. So after the 3 triples, do a slip stitch in the next stitch. Now I'm going to show you how to do the other side. Awesome. Alright, so this will be nice and quick. So after doing the slip stitch, go in the next stitch and you want to do another cluster of triple crochet. So 3 triple crochet into that stitch. If I didn't mention it already, guys, if you also have any tutorial requests, let me know. You can either let me know on my channel itself or on any of my social links. And again, those are all at the top of my YouTube channel. Alright, so in the next stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochet. I really do appreciate everyone who's watched my videos so far and gotten me where I am. It's truly appreciated. And there's definitely more to come. So next stitch you want to do a half double crochet, and then in the next one also half double crochet. Now we're at the end. You can go right into the end stitch that we started at, and we're going to just do a slip stitch. Now, depending on what you're sewing this on or to, make sure your string is long enough so you can sew it together. And keep an eye out for my next tutorial. It'll be cute little heart earrings. And again, I do have other Valentine's tutorials on my channel. There's some promo vids of them and they're easy to find. They're on here. So there's this one, and here's the other 2 that I made so far. So cute and tiny. Awesome job, guys. Yay!